English conversation practice. Hi, what are you doing?
I am texting.
Who are you texting?
I am texting with my friend.
Is she Zara?
Yes, she is Zara.
When will he come here?
I don't know.
Will you ask him, please?
Yes, I will ask him now.
What did he say?
He will come tomorrow.
What do you want to talk about?
I won't tell you
Why won't you tell me?
because it's personal.
Okay, what's the plan for tomorrow then?
Nothing. You tell me.
Will you go somewhere for a trip?
Yeah, we will definitely go.
Where will you go?
We should go to the hill station
Why a hill station?
because I really like it.
When will you go?
Let's go in the evening.
Where is your friend?
She's at home. She's at home.
Did she go to the mall yesterday?
I don't know. I don't know.
Why don't you know?
Because I haven't talked to her about it.
Is your friend's name Emily?
No, Emily is my name.
Then what is her name?
Her name is Zara.
Your friend has beautiful eyes.
When did you see her?
I saw her yesterday.
But you don't even know her name.
Does Smith study at your college?
No, he is in another college.
How long have you both been friends?
We have been friends for 5 years.
Have you met Smith?
No, I haven't met him.
Do you want to meet him?
Maybe somebody.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English. I like English.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yeah, I enjoy learning.
Have you been to a hill station before?
Yes, I have visited one.
Did you like it there?
It was beautiful. It was beautiful.
Will you go there again?
I hope so. I hope so.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you cook?
A little bit.
Can you cook pizza?
Not really.
What's your hobby?
I like gardening.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet.
Would you like to have one?
Yes, maybe a cat.
What's your favorite color?
I like black.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
What's the last movie you watched?
I watched horror film.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I like summer
Why do you prefer summer?
because I don't like cold weather.
Have you traveled abroad?
No, not yet.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to visit mountains.
What language do you want to learn?
I want to learn Latin.
Do you speak any other languages?
I know a bit of French.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two brothers.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas.
What do you usually do on Christmas?
I spend a time with family.
Are you a morning person?
No, I prefer evening.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I like to play the guitar.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Who is he?
He is David. He is David.
Is he your friend?
Yes, he is my friend.
Is he know your home?
No, he didn't know about it.
Is the boys playing?
Yeah, they are playing.
Could the girl dance?
The girl could dance.
Was she happy?
Yes, she was happy.
Is she reading?
She is reading.
Could he swim?
He could swim.
Was she singing?
Yes, she was singing.
Is it cold?
It's not cold.
Are they playing together?
Yes, they are playing together.
Could the boys run fast?
Yes, they could run fast.
Were they laughing?
They were laughing.
Is the girl drawing?
The girl is drawing.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Was she studying?
Yes, she was studying.
Is the sun shining?
The sun is shining.
Were they playing outside?
They were playing outside.
Is he sleeping?
He is sleeping. He is sleeping.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it's raining. Yes, it's raining.
Is the dog barking?
The dog isn't barking.
Are they eating?
They are eating.
Could she dance well?
Yes, she could dance well.
Was the man running?
No, the man wasn't running.
Are they friends forever?
Yes, they are friends forever.
Could she play the guitar?
Yeah, she could play the guitar.
Was she painting a picture?
Yes, she was painting a picture.
Is the weather warm?
The weather is warm.
Are you reading a book?
I am reading a book.
Is the child playing in the park?
Yes, the child is playing in the park.
Could the girl solve the puzzle?
Yes, the girl could solve the puzzle.
Were they singing a song?
They were singing a song.
Is the bird chirping in the morning?
The bird is chirping in the morning.
Is the car parked in the garage?
The car is parked in the garage.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, I enjoy learning.
Where is your friend?
She is at home.
What's your favorite color?
I like black.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I like summer.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to visit mountains.
Is she reading?
She is reading. She is reading.
Are they eating?
They are eating. They are eating.
Are they studying for exam?
Yes, they are studying for exam.
Were they dancing at the party?
Yeah, they are dancing at the party.
Is the sun rising in the east?
The sun is rising in the east.
Are they climbing the stairs?
They are climbing the stairs.
What did he say?
He will come tomorrow.
Will you go somewhere for a trip?
Yes, we will definitely go.
Where will you go?
We should go to the hill station.
Do you cook?
A little bit.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet.
Thank you so much everyone for your time and kindly keep subscribed to update new and more videos. Goodbye.